Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go live on Discord and stream directly into a voice chat. Whether you want to share gameplay with friends, present something on your screen, or simply hang out while streaming, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know in a clear and easy way. First, open Discord on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Before starting your first stream, it's a good idea to quickly check your settings. Click on the settings icon at the bottom left, then go to Voice and Video. Here, you can choose your microphone input and select where your audio plays, like speakers or headphones. You can also decide between Push to Talk, where you speak only while holding a key, or Voice Activity, which automatically detects your voice. Make sure everything sounds good before moving on. Next, join the server where you want to stream and connect to a voice channel. Once you're connected, look near your username at the bottom. You'll see a video icon and a screen sharing icon. Click the screen option to begin setting up your stream. Discord will now show you a source selection window where you can choose what you want to share, such as a specific application window or your entire screen. After selecting the app or screen you want to stream, click the Go Live button. Your stream will start immediately, and other members in the voice channel will be able to watch in real time. You'll also see a small preview window that you can move around your screen or double-click to view in full screen. To make the experience smoother, here are a few quick tips: close unnecessary apps, use a stable internet connection, and choose a resolution and frame rate that your system can handle comfortably. You can adjust these by clicking the small cog icon on the stream preview at any time. Once you're finished streaming, simply click Stop Streaming, and that's it. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to go live on Discord easily and confidently. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this guide helped you out, feel free to share it with friends or teammates who want to stream on Discord too. Why not make someone's day easier?